digitization needs to start today. Fixing the science needs to go hand in hand with adopting new digital technologies. This Innovate UK project is in partnership with the CGT Catapult at Braintree site. And the objective of the project is to prove how the digitization can help manufacturing at scale. The project includes several integrations with other systems and devices. And the plan there is to kill a lot of the manual intervention between systems that are used through the manufacturing process. The digital solutions will help overall really reducing the resource overhead and the time it takes to manufacture these advanced therapies. I see our platform becoming a core component of the CGT digital ecosystem. I also see Autolomous setting new standards in this space for digital solutions to solve more problems in this industry. The support that we have from Innovate UK on this project has really paved the way for a very long-term collaboration between us and the CGT Catapult. The level of learnings that we have captured from this project will pave the way for a lot of areas that we can work with the CGT Catapult to address in the next phase of our collaboration agreement. So we are extremely thankful to what Innovate UK has helped us with in supporting this very interesting initiative.